In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Square payments on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or upgrading your current payment options, following these steps will ensure a smooth and efficient process. To begin, head over to Weebly's homepage. This is your go-to platform for building a free website or online store with ease. Weebly's user-friendly interface makes managing your site simple, even for beginners. Now that you're on Weebly, you'll need to log in using your email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to click on the Login button, which will give you access to all of Weebly's features and services, so ensure you have your login information ready to make this quick and easy. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the website overview section. This is the dashboard where you'll find comprehensive insights into your website's performance, visitor statistics, and more. From here, you can manage various aspects of your website to optimize and enhance the user experience. Next, click on the Settings tab. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find all the necessary tools to customize and manage your site. Here, you can adjust general website configurations from site information to SEO settings, ensuring everything aligns with your business goals. With settings in view, it's time to move to the checkout options. Click on Checkout, where you'll manage how transactions are processed on your site. A consistent, user-friendly checkout process can significantly increase customer satisfaction and conversion rates, so it's worth spending some time here to get things right. Now, to integrate Square Payments, click on the Payment Options tab. Square is a widely trusted payment processor that's seamless to integrate and use. Select the payment options you want to connect. You may opt for Square alongside other available payment gateways depending on what best suits your business. This flexibility allows you to tailor the transaction process to your customers' preferences and needs. Wait for the connection and you're good to go. That's it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully set up Square Payments on your Weebly site. This integration enables you to securely accept payments and offers a more streamlined experience for your customers. Implementing these options can make a noticeable difference in your sales and customer satisfaction, making your online business both effective and efficient. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy selling!